Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Korean. My name is Taj Mohammed and I am a level student at Yam School Islamabad campus. So yes, today I am here with a new Tedx Talk review and title name is How Great Leaders Inspire Action and speaker name is by Simon Sinek. So let's go start review in English. Today I am review Cement Sheikh famous TEDx talk how great leaders inspiring action and this TEDx talk and Senek explained the powerful idea of the golden circle which ensued why how and what he says that great leaders and successful organization always start with build trust. I found his talk very motivation because it shows that people are inspired by purpose, not just products or service. Simon Sinek example, especially about Apple and Martin Luther King, Jr. make the message easy to understand. And highly recommend this talk to students, professional, and anyone who wants to become a better leader. Thank you. So, yes, this was a no TEDx Talks reviewers. So, thank you and Allah Hafiz Pakistan Zindabad.